What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. We managed to get this whole car turned around, and I got the engine in the back now. So now all we have to do is clean this head. It just has a lot of dirt all over the head, so need to clean this head up and this block right here at the same time. I want to get all of the grease off of it, clean out the cylinders, and just clean it all up before I go ahead and paint it. So that is the goal for today. Alright, so I got some more blue napkins, just hand cleaner, and some brake cleaner to clean off all of the grease and everything off of there. And then I'm going to use some other engine cleaner to actually clean the engine. I'm going to use some other engine cleaner to actually clean the engine, and I got to find my brush that I use to clean it too. So yeah, quick before on how it looks. Yeah, I can't even see the gears on that crank right there, the lines, I can't even see it. So that is how it looks now. And I will just go ahead and just start trying to clean out a lot of this off of here and just see what I can get down to.
Don't know how it's supposed to be, but I can feel you turn me around. If love can go sideways, look back at me and I won't let you down. I couldn't find what I was missing in the open sea. I saw so many sharks out where I'm fishing, but maybe you're the one for me. The only good thing I see is you. Good thing it's only me and you. I know you're good for me, I think I'm good for you. So let's see what tonight brings.
And clean this motor, and all of this is now clean. There was so much of grease gunked up in places like this, down at the bottom and everything. I'm still waiting for some of it to dry out, but there was a lot of oil gunked up in places, and you can actually see the letters on the motor now again, so that's exciting. Even on this side where all of the water stuff was, all of this is clean now. So yeah, backside and everything, even went through and cleaned out the head. So now all of the head is clean too. I was thinking about this oil pump, so I think I might just go ahead and keep this oil pump. It does seem like it was brand new. I just went through and cleaned it, and it seems to work perfectly fine. And the oil cooler itself, I went through and cleaned too. So that is clean itself. Now here is my problem with this motor. Going through and pretty much just cleaning everything, I noticed that a couple of the pistons what you guys hear over there scraping is this right here. That is not anything with the pistons that is scraping. So after I went through and so here's my problem with this motor. After I went through and cleaned everything, I noticed that a couple of the pistons look like they were hit like tambourines. So if you look right here, and even in the middle right here, and even on this one. So they look like they were hit by a valve. The outside ones do not look as bad, but you can see like a little indentation. If I scrape my finger along it, you really don't even feel anything, but you can see the indentation there. And even on this one, there's small indentations. Nothing too major, but I did notice that. So I don't know, I was thinking about have this 1.8 bottom too, and if you look on this pistons right here, it is not touched by anything at all. So I was kind of thinking about taking these pistons out of this block right here and adding them into that block over there, since these pistons are and these pistons seem like they were tapped. So that is what I'm thinking about there. Other than that, this block is pretty much cleaned up, and I think I'm gonna, you know, she's still asleep. Oh, I talked too much. She's still asleep, so I don't know, I might go ahead and gather all the accessories for this and put all the accessories aside and see what I need and what I need to buy for this right quick. Alright, dope. So I found the back motor mount. I just need to clean it, but this is going to be this motor mount right here, and then that motor mount right there goes to the transmission. And we have the front motor mount right here, so, and that will go to the front of the motor. So all three motor mounts are good. I actually even found a brand new 1.8T head gasket, so that is a brand new head gasket right there. And I have this all kind of mounted up a little bit, but right here we have the alternator, the compressor, the condenser, and power steering. To be honest with you, I want to go ahead and delete both of these off. I probably got to find a smaller belt. The same thing I'm trying to do with the VR6. Delete off of this because I'm not using them anymore, and I just need a small belt. But other than that, I have all three right here. And my only problem with the alternator is when I'm using, I think this is the 2.0 bracket, it's just a little bit smaller. So yeah, that doesn't fit. But I'm just going to grind it off a little bit right there, and it should fit perfectly fine, no worries there. And I did go ahead and get the head pretty much mounted back up, the intake manifolds on it, the manifold for the turbo. I even found the valve cover for it. All this right here pretty much needs is gaskets. And I was looking at the stage 2 2.0T coil pack. I kind of like that. I wanted to do that stage 2, so I might go ahead and do that too. So yeah, but other than that, as far as the engine wise is coming along pretty good. I just need to go ahead and find the transmission so I can stick a transmission onto this, and then I can get it mounted up inside of the Mark III. So yeah, she's coming along. I'm gonna go ahead and clean those off right quick. I did get the motor and everything clean, so all of that gunk and everything that was on it is off of it. So let me go ahead and clean that and show you how it all looks. Well, I kind of ran out of cleaning stuff, so I gotta run back up to AutoZone and get some more cleaning stuff. So all I need to do is clean off all of this stuff right here, and then that's that. And I need to paint this. I managed to get this down clean a little bit. So yeah, I mean, that is where she's coming now. I think I have everything as far as accessory wise to put on the block. I know I need new sensors and everything for that. I think I'm going to do the same thing I actually did on my VR with the whole oil cooling situation. I think I'm going to run an aftermarket oil cooler, just sandwich plate it in, and run my own lines up to the turbo. I need a new thermostat. I think I'm going to ride with this water pump right here and just get the new thingamajiggy, I forget what the thing, tensioner. And I think I'm missing one more pulley for that side. And other than that though, I think it is coming along. Guys, feel free to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.